Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new weekly vlog. I'm so sorry I was not able to even get on screen with you guys yesterday. I was out of it. I had a doctor's appointment right after work. Went to that, finally get back home. It was a little right at 5 o'clock. We were just trying to hurry up and get something to eat. We just had leftovers from Sunday so that we could, just get something in our stomachs. We were so hungry. So Sunday, my husband had made a pan of bacon, and he made some chicken and a pot of rice and some chicken wings. Actually, he did baked barbecue chicken wings, and those were so good. So I ended up picking up some mac and cheese, like a little side of mac and cheese, and that's what we ended up having yesterday was the rest of those wings, mac and cheese, and some steamed broccoli. So that was really, really good. Today, we're doing something a little bit different. So we're using up that bacon and we're using up that chicken that he made, the chicken breast that he usually sautés every week. And I basically just, before it gets too cold, I wanted to go ahead and do our favorite little chicken Caesar salad wraps, but just adding bacon to it. So I just grabbed a little container of a Caesar salad mix. That comes with literally everything. Cheese, the Caesar dressing. This one actually came with like some little crouton looking, chopped up croutons. And then also a little packet of black pepper. So I thought that was really cool. But yeah, I just sliced up the chicken. You see there, added in some bacon, and of course that delicious little salad mix. So that's perfect. On the side of our little wraps, we're having some soup as well because it is a little chilly. Today we woke up, it was like 50, what was it, 52?
52
degrees. Like, where did that come from? I don't like that, not one bit. So soup is definitely one of the things that I absolutely love, and it really puts me in a nice mood because it's nice and warm and cozy and comforting. And so that's what we're having on the side. So my husband is actually having broccoli and cheddar, and I'm having the Panera creamy tomato, which is my absolute favorite from them. I have my doctored up coffee. Had to think about that for a second. And my water cup for the week is the Stanley. So I'm gonna have the, I've been doing really, really good on my water at work, but my intention is to do good while I'm at home as well. Even though I'm more relaxed and I can move around and I'm actually able to break my fast, I still want to try to incorporate a lot more water into what I'm ingesting throughout the day. For bubbles today, I'm actually doing my fake kombucha concoction, except I'm switching it up just a little bit. So I did a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar with the mother to get all the good health benefits, all the good gut benefits. And then I actually put in a Celsius. So I put in the wild berry Celsius, and that's what I mixed it with instead of just a regular seltzer water. So not only do I get a little bit of the caffeine and I get a little bit of the awakeness of it, but I still get the benefits with the apple cider vinegar as well. So that is what I'm having for bubbles today. I call it like my own little rendition of a soda or a fake kombucha, which I absolutely love. So yep, I think that's pretty much it. So I'm about to go ahead and chow down now. Right now it is 4:55, so it's a little later than normal, but I had to actually kind of whip up everything. It wasn't too, it didn't take too long, but it was basically just kind of reheating what we needed to, reheat and then add it to, our wrap and reheat our soup and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and end here, chow down, and I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. All right, today is Wednesday, hump day. Oh my goodness, it's the middle of the week. The day is done. Hubby's over here cracking up, laughing and dancing. We're just happy to be home off the road, and yeah, and just we're ready. I'm ready to chow down. So I have some bowls already took out because I'm gonna go ahead and make a little chopped salad with my little chopped salad kit. Basically just comes with everything, your dressing, your cheese, and this is the Caesar version. So it also came with like a little thing of cracked black peppers. Or pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and, get that all taken care of while hubby actually makes fish today. So he's about to go ahead and season up some fish and fry it up in a pan. And then I'll make like maybe a little bit of one of these little sides of rice or whatever the case is to kind of go along with it.
A little piece of fish.
I know, it is a little tiny piece of fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that rice started and go ahead and start on my salad. I definitely don't want this to go bad. But right now it is 4:09 in the evening, so we're in a late start, just there's stuff that needs to be prepared before we can actually eat. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this taken care of, the salad, and start on that rice. The rice should not take very long at all. Usually it says cooks in 7 minutes, so it should be pretty quick. But yeah, let me go ahead and get that started because I am super duper hungry. I did, however, point to the right thing, Natalie, make my coffee. So I have my coffee already made, so I'm gonna go ahead and sip on that while we wait for the fish and everything to be taken care of. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I will see you guys in a bit. Dinner is served. Hey guys, so welcome and welcome back to my channel. It is Thursday. Yes, finally Thursday. It is Friday's Eve. I cannot wait. Oh my goodness, I am so tired. But we're home, we're healthy, we're doing okay. So we're basically just gonna have leftovers from yesterday, but it's not a lot. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what we do have. Made a coffee, of course. But I am making some of these little Jamaican spicy beef patties. So I have 2 of those going in the oven right now. And then I'm also in advance making a little pizza for my nephew. So we have him tomorrow. Tomorrow Nugget's gonna come hang out with us. And so I want to just go ahead and have that already together. So all I have to do is basically just kind of reheat it and he should be good to go. So let me show you guys a little bit of what we have left over and why we clearly needed those beef patties. Alrighty, so the fish that we had yesterday was absolutely dynamite. Hubby did really, really good. So there's only 2 little fillets left over. We have like a little corner of broccoli over here. And then some of that leftover chicken fried rice flavored, you know, like little instant rice. So that's what we have left over. So yeah, basically we just needed a little something extra to kind of go with the meal. I have my water cup. I did so good on my water today, guys. You guys would be so proud of me. I refilled it. I actually put in a little bit of apple cider vinegar in here too, just to kind of keep me full throughout the day, which it worked great too. So I had just 1 cup of black coffee and then I just kept drinking my water, refilled my water and added in some of that ACV. And then, of course, you guys already know I came home and made my coffee the way I like it. Yay! I actually just got some new collagen peptides from Amazon. Did you guys purchase anything on the Amazon Prime days? Because I did go ahead and grab some collagen. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Let's take a little walk through here. There's hubby. Say hi, hun. That's not a hi, but a wave will do. Okay, I'm just unpacking all the stuff that we just got, which is mainly just, you know, cleaning products and stuff like that. But I did go ahead and grab this one too. And I thought what stood out to me about this one is it had 20 grams of collagen. And then it also had, the protein was 18 grams for 2 scoops. So I thought that was a really, really good. The other one that I'm currently using, I think only has about 9 grams of protein. And I can't remember how much of the collagen is actually in there. Let's see. Let us see. Okay, so this is the one that I'm currently using. All right, so 0 carbs, 9 grams of protein, and only 10 grams of collagen. So I guess if I did 2 scoops, yeah, that would be about the same. Okay. So basically it's just about the same. I think one is just a little cheaper than the other, honestly. But so far so good. I like it. It's unflavored. The one that I just purchased is also unflavored as well. So yes, it'll be able to just kind of, mix right in. No issues there. And that'll work. Perfect. So yes, need my joints to feel better because my ankle, as you can see, I already have a brace on it. My ankle is really having an issue. So I'm trying my best to take care of that. Alrighty, so that's about all the updates that I have. On Saturday, we're going down to see my dad. So I'm gonna, I purchased something for him from Amazon. So I actually need to go ahead and start getting that all put together while I'm waiting for the oven to finish cooking, you know, all the little food that we put in there for today and tomorrow. So let me go ahead and check in on that, get started on building his little adjustable side table. And yeah, I'll be back when it's time to break. Well, look, let's break our fast together, okay? Ooh, you see that heat coming off of there? Oh yeah, that was good. Okay, so we broke our fast together. Yay! I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's Friday. I'm so excited. It is the 11th of October. Oh, we're finally home. It's a little after 5. So right now it's about 5:11 in the evening. I'm so tired, but we went ahead and stopped and grabbed kava for dinner, our favorite. And right now I'm just waiting for my water to warm up for the coffee, but my beautiful, awesome looking bowl. I just always get chicken. And then I also got little pita chips to kind of go along to kind of scoop in with that. In addition to that, we did go ahead and grab Dad some food for tomorrow. So he got candied yams, some cabbage, and then he also got pork chops and a little cornbread roll, basically. So I'm just letting that sit out so it can kind of cool down a bit before I pop that in the fridge. But that will be ready for him for tomorrow, so he doesn't even have to worry about what to eat for dinner. So I am about to chat on in this kava because I've been in the car for way too long. I'm super tired, but we wanted to make sure that my nephew got a snack too because he's been in the car just as long as we have. So we are all tired and hungry. So we make sure he gets a snack and then I'll make him some dinner a little later. But I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Sunday, it is the 13th of October, and I am about to go ahead and prepare my famous buffalo chicken dip. I absolutely love this. This is one of our favorites, and it's a family staple. So right now I am draining 2 cans of chunk chicken, basically just canned chicken, and I want to say they're about 16 ounces a piece. And then I found a little workaround with my cream cheese. So usually I have I use like a block of cream cheese, which is about 8 ounces, but I have to let it sit out and thaw. So this time I actually used whipped cream cheese and it turned out so much better. So now I'm just seasoning everything up. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to zoom in a little bit more here, but I used garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of crushed red pepper, which I actually divvied out into my hand just to make sure it wasn't too spicy. I'm also going to use a little bit of seasoned salt and just a little sprinkle here because there's going to be lots of cheese added in. I'm going to do half a pack of ranch dressing or a ranch, like seasoning pack, and just kind of mix that all together and incorporate it all together basically. Now I'm going to add in my cheeses. I'm going to start with a couple handfuls of mozzarella cheese, which definitely helps to bind everything. And then I'm going to also go in with some sharp cheddar. I had just a little bit left in this little package, so I just went ahead and used it all. But I had a brand new pack, which I'm going to add in a good amount, like a good handful of that. Going in with some buffalo wing sauce. This one is in medium. I did not want to make it too hot. But buffalo wing sauce and a little bit of hot sauce just to add in just like that extra tang, just that little vinegary taste. And then of course some ranch dressing, y'all. So what is buffalo chicken dip without the ranch dressing? Yes, that was so good. I'm just gonna mix, and basically get ready to go ahead and pop that into my little pan so I can just pop that right into the oven and get that all nice golden and bubbly brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer that. And I get these little pans from like the local Dollar Tree or dollar store, and they work so good. And they're disposable, so that makes it perfect. I can just wash it out and pop it right in the recycling bin. So I love those pans. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of smooth all that out, and then we'll just add in the final layer of sharp cheddar. Yes, that sharp cheddar goes a long way. It has a wonderful bite, and once it's like baked and golden, oh my goodness, it's just absolutely beautiful. You guys will see here in a second. All right, I'm gonna add in a little bit of smoked paprika over the top just to kind of give it a little razzle dazzle. And then I also did a little bit of cracked black pepper on top as well, just to kind of finish it all up. All right, and this is what it looks like before it pops in the oven. Yes, looking really good. And this is what it looks like as it's coming out of the oven. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love it, and you guys would love it too. Try it out. Hey guys, it's happy Sunday. Oh my goodness. It is the 13th, and right now it's about 3:23 in the afternoon. First of all, let me apologize for yesterday. We were so busy. And when I mean busy with Dad, oh my goodness, I think we must have cleaned his entire house from top to bottom. So I did not even get a chance to show you guys what we broke our fast, well, what I broke my fast with yesterday, but it was crappy food. It was just Taco Bell. But when I tell you it was just crappy food, but it was just something quick, fast, because we had to grocery shop, we had to clean, I had to take care of his dog. It was just a lot. So today is a brand new day. My husband went ahead and made some food. So he made burgers. He did his pan of chicken. You guys already know. He did not do any rice, but I'm sure he'll probably do some rice later. He actually did some baked potatoes. So those look really, really good. And you guys saw that I went ahead and made my absolute famous buffalo chicken dip, which I absolutely love. This only took me maybe 15 minutes to prepare. It was so easy, so simple, and you guys saw everything step by step. So I absolutely love this. This is one of my absolute favorites. And if you want, you can always finish this off with a little bit of maybe some cut up spring onion or green onion or whatever the case is for a little crunch. But honestly, this is so good with just some little pita chips, tortilla chips. Actually, you could do a scoop of that on a baked potato or anything else along those lines. It is just so delicious. I love this. Every time I make this for a party or a gathering, everyone absolutely loves it. And it is really, really good. So this is what, it's still hot. That's why I keep like touching it, but then I kind of bring my hand back. But yes, oh my goodness, I'm so excited to go ahead and eat this up. Just look at that baked golden deliciousness. And I sprinkled it with a little bit of smoked paprika on top just for a little bit of razzle dazzle. But yes, it's so good. Alrighty, so right now it's 3:25 in the afternoon. I am about to go ahead and break my fast and chow down. But I will see you all here tomorrow for a brand new weekly vlog right back here on the channel, same time, same place. You guys take care and have a great rest of your weekend. Bye.